Yes.
7.1 at what annual percentage interest compounded quarterly should a lump sum be invested in order for it to double in 6 years?
So let's highlight this story here. They are looking for R,
Yes.
because they are saying annual interest as a percentage.
Yes.
Annual percentage interest. This one is R, it's not I. There is R, and then there is I.
Yes.
Now, what is I? I is equaling to R all over 100.
Yes.
So Tina, we're looking for what? We're looking for R. It's not whatever it is that we're doing, let's just remember which Tina, we're looking for R. Okay, let's move on, Mashita. Which formula should we use for this one?
A is equal to P.
So we're going to use A is equaling to P.
Yes.
Yeah. 1 plus I
to the power of N.
to the power of N.
Yes.
Okay. What is our data? What is A?
A is, let me just say 2P.
It's 2P.
Yes.
What is our P?
P.
It's P. What is our N?
And it's 12 it's 4 times 6.
It's 6 years multiplied by 4.
Yes.
Gives us 24.
28.
Huh?
24.
24. Okay. Interest, we don't know. Yes. Now, there are two options. When I talk to the creators, I say they have an option to come and substitute here, right here. This thing, what is this one?
Yes.
Agree, they say this is I. They can tell them with I is going to be R all over 100. So they can come and substitute it directly here. Or they can work with this formula. I'm sure this formula has I, no? Yes. So they can work with this formula. But what we discovered is that it's best if we come and sub here. Yes. And then it's still, it's the interest rate. Okay, they want the annual. We should also be careful of that one. So they want the annual percentage. Yes. Because they could have just said, what is the percentage? And then remember, which it still has to be compounded quartile, but they said, what is the annual percentage interest rate? Yes. So which one do you prefer, Majid? Should we sub this here or should we continue with the I? Continue. Okay, so we have 2P. P. 1 plus I to the power of 24. P and P. Yes. We have 2. We have 1 plus I to the power of 24. Yes. Sure.
Root 24.
Root 24. Or root 24. Since we're talking about the interest, we don't have to worry about the plus and the minus. Yes. And then we get root 24, 2, which is going to be 1 plus I. Take this one to this other side. It says I is going to be equal to root 24, 2 minus 1. And then what you get is your I, 0,029. No, you're not done. You need to write the whole thing here. 0.22.
No, after 9, after 9, these 3.
We round off the final answer. This is not the final answer.
This one.
Okay. It's 0.2. 0 here. 0.029. 30. 22. 36.
64.
Okay, it's fine. You see, agree now we're going to be rounding off to 2 decimal places. You can take maybe 6 numbers, and then you can then safely say, okay, what is going to be your... Agree we're looking for R. How do you get R? You multiply by 100.
No, sir, I'm not supposed to multiply by 4 first.
Compounded quarter.
Over 4.
Is what?
You must multiply by 4 first. This thing. It was compounded quarter. It's all multiply n by 4.
And then you are supposed to, so here we're supposed to say it's I all over 4 since it's compounded quartile. Yeah, then we're supposed to come and say, okay, here we still have I all over 4. Yes, so it's I all over 4 for this one. Okay, so here you say we have I all over 4.
Yes.
Okay, multiplied by 4, what do you get?
That one is not it's 1.
This one is 1. Okay. I think we should be careful. Yeah, but not mind the I. Okay, sure. So we have multiplied by 4 first. Okay.
It should give you 0.11.
Multiply by 4, it gives you
0,
I is equal to 0.11
72
72
08
94
94 6.
6. Okay, then we multiply by 100. Maybe it would have been better which we simply multiply. I agree we are going to say this is for R, and then we go on. So we could have multiplied by 100 and divided by 4 later. I think it should give us the same answer. We'll check, man. Multiply by 100 and then you get 1 comma 20.
72.
This is 7.2%. Let's check it here. I agree this one was this. If you multiply by 100, Mara, we're still going to get this exactly the same answer. Multiply by 100, we take this and we multiply by 100 and then we divide by 4. Yeah, do it up until 30 here. You multiply by 100 first.
No.
It doesn't give us the same answer.
Yes.
It gives us what?
0.7.
0.7 direct to by
559.
0.7.
3.
Yeah, it's not the same. Because if I'm saying this here,